Hey everybody, from Ron from CampFire Grub, and on this episode we've been out here camping in Jenny Springs, as you may have noticed from some of the previous videos. Tonight with our side dinner item, we're going to try out the Cuban coconut, black beans, and rice from Backpacker Pantry. Looks like it might be kind of decent, but we're just going to use it as a side dish for our main meal of ribs. But I figured I'd do a quick little review video on it. Tonight for dinner we have some lean and tender, all natural Texas style ribs that I have here. They're pre-seasoned, and I'm just going to throw them on the little charcoal grill here. The pork ribs are almost done, so it's time to go ahead and whip out the Cuban coconut, black beans, and rice. And the first thing that we need to do is add 1.5 cups of boiling water. So we've got that started here, and the water's beginning to boil. First look inside the meal. As you can see, it's all freeze-dried, and there's a do not eat packet inside. So let's go ahead and set that down, reach inside, and always make sure you remove the do not eat pack. So we've got that pulled out, and now we just gotta wait on the water to boil. Also, what would camping be without rainy weather? But at least we got a fire running here in the rain. Helps keep things dried out. The water's still boiling, and for beverage here, I'm drinking some Sierra Nevada Juicy Little Things IPA. So let's go ahead and add some to the ribs. Water has reached boil, as indicated by whistling sound. Time to add hot water to the bag. Water has been added. Now it's time to let it sit for probably about 7 to 8 minutes, then give it a restir, and then let it sit for a few more minutes. First look inside there after the first hydration before stirring, and it looks pretty good. It looks like it's hydrating pretty well. So here's the finished product here. We've got the black beans and rice right there, right next to some pork with some smoked brie cheese. So now it's time to give it a taste test and see how it is. Thank you everybody for watching. The rice and beans was a success. It was pretty yummy. We ate it all down. Sorry for the giant clutter mess on the picnic table. It's just pouring down rain. So how did you like the beans and rice?
It was really good.
Really good. Okay, that's good. It was good. There's a mess. It's raining. Thank you everybody for watching.